Hello everyone, good day to you all. Today we are going to start our lesson number 9 about PowerPoint tips and tricks. So today I'm going to teach you and show you how we can include a video, right, which is in the online to our presentation. Let's say at the end of this presentation of solar system, we have a requirement to include a video, right, to provide more insights on the solar system. Let's see how we can do that. I am going to insert a new slide. I will name this as, right, or whatever. You can put any heading based on your need, right? And then in this box you can see a small icon here, insert video, and also you can see a kind of a ball like. So that is for the insert video option. And also you can find the same under the insert menu. When you go to the insert menu, you can find video, under that online video, right? So whatever the method you can use. So I will select this one, and then it is giving us some opportunities, like some options. If you have a file from your computer, you can browse it and select it, right? If you have any embed code, you can paste the code here. But if you don't have any file, you just want to search it, then the opportunity is there from YouTube, right? Just type, our topic is solar system, and hit enter. Right, it will give you, select whatever the appropriate one you want to have it. Let's see, I like to have this one. Insert it. Right, so the video has been inserted. You can adjust the size of the video, right? Okay, save the file. Now go to the presentation mode. In few seconds it will go to the YouTube mode like this. Now enjoy the video while presenting your presentation. Alright, so that is how you can do it. Hope this is helpful to you. So what you can do is you can apply this in your day-to-day work. If you have a certain topic to present, then you can apply this. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Looking forward to meet you in the lesson number 10 with another tip. God bless you all.